I just came to show solidarity with the family of Dr. Mateke and with the other Ugandans, but also to bear witness to the good work this young cadre was beginning to do. I had not interacted very much with her, but the few times I meet her, she was very calm and didn't appear to be the one who is sensitive and aggressive and touchy, which is the problem of some of the other people. She would be calm, say a few words. I formed them into a committee to study the issue of Congo under General Taban Amin. The people who come from the tribes who are near the border with Congo. So she was there representing Kisoro. And they were supposed to brief me to report back. But you could see in those discussions, that's when I interacted with her closely. You could see that she was very careful with her words. Doesn't just talk like that. So it's a big loss. But the few years she has been here, I'm sure she has become like some example to those who know her well in the Kisoro area, who may know her better. Because you know how quarrelsome those of Wafumbira can be. So when you hear people giving testimony to somebody, say, oh, he's good, she's good, she's good, you know that she was really good. Now, the only issue I would want to, we are coming from remembering General Ronda at Munyonyo. So therefore, because you see we are fighters. We lose people always when we are fighting, our people die, we kill the enemy also kills us. But we move on. But we try to avoid unnecessary losses, because anybody who dies creates a gap on our side. And that's why, therefore, the fighters should also look at their life, not as just theirs. It is also ours, all of us. Because when you go, but you leave us in a problem. How shall we fill your gap? What shall we do? How shall we fill here, where you have left? And that's why you should carefully check your life. Like in this case, it was good that she went to check, but it was a bit late. But she was going to travel on such a long distance when she had a medical condition which was quite sensitive. So therefore, really my appeal to the cadres is that please remember that you are a soldier. It's not only your family who will miss, like for instance, her son, then we, the NRM, then Kisoro. So please take care. But otherwise, she has left, I think she has left, because I hear in Kisoro, to hear so many people saying that she was good, she was good. I have not heard anybody saying that she was cantankerous or or quarrelsome, or because you know how the politics is. It is very, very. You must have a thick skin. But for her, she was very, very, very calm. I don't have much to say. I don't have to continue just talking because I want to talk. Because there's nothing I'm adding. I just came to show solidarity, that's all. May her soul rest in eternal peace. Thank you very much.
Honorable members, even as we pay tribute and in this sorrowful mood, us by clapping our hands. I now take the
of the family of Honorable Mateke Philemon. We want to thank you so much for bearing with us and being with us for all these days. We want to thank you that you've been here with us. Your Excellency, as Parliament of Uganda, we want to thank you so much for always being there for us as Parliament. Thank you. We do not take that for granted. When Sarah passed on, you took an initiative and made a call to me asking what had happened to Sarah. And when I explained to you what had happened to Sarah, you were so saddened of losing Sarah.